The Seek infrared camera is an easy-to-use, easy-to-carry, affordable smart thermal imaging technology which can help in identifying and monitoring the energy loss of a system. Seek thermal camera allows a person to see problems such as heat loss, overheating of a system, leakages, and identifying defects like corroded fuses, bad valves, loose connections that are visible to the naked eye. Seek thermal imaging camera uses heat signatures to identify the defects in a system. Attaching them to the iOS or Android smartphone devices, the camera picks up thermal heat signatures from the targeted location and displays it on the smartphone screens in the form of hotspots. Looking at these hotspots, a person can easily locate the source of the problem. Seek thermal imaging camera can be a useful tool in building, maintenance, and retuning. Imagine a situation where we are trying to find the heat loss from a building because of the degradation of hot water pipelines, cracks, improper insulation, or we are trying to monitor the health of an air conditioning unit installed within the buildings. As seen here, the camera is pointing towards an overhead heating duct and showing us the heat loss as identified in red. With the help of the Seek camera, you can enhance the preventative maintenance program and simplifying your maintenance strategy and making your building more energy efficient. Using Seek thermal technology, facilities can inspect the valves, ducting, electrical components, and insulation around the air conditioning unit for any heat or energy loss. Using the tools such as abnormalities can be identified and mitigated, resulting in energy and cost savings. For more information on low-cost energy tools, please visit Pentop at pentop.psu.edu or call Pentop at 814-865-0427.